What if your trip ended with just duty-free shopping and crowded tourist spots? Imagine discovering your city through someone else's eyes, sharing the places that mean the most to you. With Tocalmate, you're not just a guide. You're a friend, inviting others into your world. Real travel is about stepping into a local's daily life. Maybe it's showing a hidden bookstore, riding a tricycle through quiet streets, or teaching a friend how to make a traditional craft. These are the moments that reveal the true heart of your city. It's about connection. When you share a laugh over a handmade souvenir or teach a new phrase in your language, you're not just showing someone around. You're building a genuine bond. You become neighbors, not just tourists and hosts. And yes, you'll earn a little extra as a bonus for sharing what you love. But the real reward is the pride of being known as a culture curator, someone who brings their city to life for others. So don't just be a guide. Be the friend who shares your city's secrets. We're curious about your story. Join the Tocalmate community today, and let's meet where real connections begin. Tap the link in our profile to get started.